Μεταδώστε την είδηση, όχι τον ιό. Spread the news, not the virus. Το Solidarity Now, σε συνεργασία με το PodGR, δίνει τις απαντήσεις στους πρόσφυγες και μετανάστες που ζουν ανάμεσά μας. Είσαι κάτω των 18 και μόνος εν μέσω πανδημίας? Το Solidarity Now και το pod.gr ενώνουν τις δυνάμεις τους για να σε στηρίξουν. Ακολουθούν χρήσιμες πληροφορίες στα αγγλικά.
Are you under 18? We're here for you. Solidarity Now and pod.gr join forces to support you. Listen to some useful information in English. Spread the news, not the virus. In the fight to reduce the transmission of COVID-19, we are all a team. We stay informed, we take precautions, we stay safe, and we protect those around us. Are you under 18? We're here for you. In this episode, we're addressing the children who are in Greece alone in such a difficult time. Hello, children. From what you have already understood, we're in the middle of a pandemic, that of the coronavirus or COVID-19. But what does a pandemic mean? A pandemic is a rapid spread of a disease from person to person very quickly, surpassing an epidemic, affecting the majority of the population in such a massive extent that it has currently been transmitted to many countries around the world. The coronavirus affects negatively vulnerable groups of people, such as the elderly, people with respiratory problems, and generally those with a weakened immune system. Don't think that the virus is not contagious to young people as well. Young people are also exposed to the virus, although they may have milder symptoms. Additionally, as young people, you do have a great responsibility not to transmit the virus to people who can get seriously ill. We know we can count on you. After all, you have certainly faced more difficult conditions, isn't it? Symptoms of this virus can include fever, cough, difficulty breathing, tiredness, and loss of smell or taste. There is still no cure for the virus, so in order to avoid contracting it or transmitting it, you need to do the following. Wash your hands often and carefully. Cough or sneeze in your elbow. Avoid touching your face and stand at a safe distance from other people, about 2 to 3 meters. We understand that these rules are difficult to follow depending on your living conditions. However, please put your creativity and imagination at work and adapt the rules as much as possible to your environment, whether it's a camp, your shelter, or even the streets. Follow the rules in any way that you can. Most of the country's governments, and that of Greece as well, have imposed strict measures in order to minimize citizens' movements. Yes, you must stay in one place, no matter how boring this sounds. You can ask for a movement permission by sending an SMS text message. The reasons that will allow you movement are very specific, such as going to the supermarket, visiting a doctor. Now more than ever, you need to carry your legal documents with you. Remember, the penalty in case you're caught for an unnecessary movement and without your document is 150 euros. In that case, the most important thing is that behaving like that, you not only put your health in danger, but also the health of others. And now you're wondering, where have you all gone? Unfortunately, due to the quarantine, many organizations operate with less staff and for less hours. We have not abandoned you. We take precautions so we can be by your side tomorrow. After all, what will we gain if we all get sick at the same time? We also assure you that intensive efforts are being made to provide you with assistance over the phone or electronically. And we all look forward to return to our daily lives. And for many of us, our daily life is you. Also, due to the Asylum Service temporary operational pause, if you had started a procedure either for asylum in Greece or for family reunification, contact the lawyer who supports your case by phone or by any means at your disposal, and they will inform you about your case. These moments are difficult for all of us. It makes perfect sense if you feel anger, sadness, or fear. It's not easy for anyone, but don't internalize it. Talk to your family, through social media at least. Talk to your friends here. Talk to any professional you have access to. Talk to adults you trust. We all need to be patient. You may typically be alone in Greece, but we are all together, and together we will make it. We will not let fear win. Stay safe.
Ήταν το Frequently Asked Questions for Migrants, ένα podcast του Solidarity Now σε συνεργασία με το PodGR που δίνει χρήσιμες απαντήσεις σε πρόσφυγες και μετανάστες που ζουν στη χώρα μας. Βρείτε το podcast στην ιστοσελίδα του Solidarity Now, στο PodGR, στο Spotify, Apple Podcasts ή όπου ακούτε podcast από το κινητό σας.
You can find the podcast on Solidarity Now's website, on pod.gr, on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to podcasts from your mobile phone.